Hello and welcome. This is James Blanchard Cisneros at your service. Today I'll be reading the April 27th Daily Inspirational Message, the condensed version. It's 2 paragraphs long. Then I'll send myself, say a little prayer, and then make a couple comments on the message, and I trust it will assist both of us on our journeys. Okay, here we go. The title: You create your own individualized workshop every day. Paragraph 1. No matter what dark, tumultuous tunnels the ego tries to have you travel through, as God's creation, you have a natural pull towards the light, towards a more balanced, peaceful, forgiving, joyous, and loving life. Every day, unconscious of it as you may be, you and God have co-designed the journey you are now on. You and God have co-designed an individualized growth workshop to help you heal and awaken. For example, if you have bought into the ego's darkness and are supporting its tool of judgment, then you will bring someone into your experience who will help you work through that delusion. What or who you bring into your daily experience is all part of your personalized spiritual growth workshop. It is designed with your specific growth, healing, and awakening process in mind. Paragraph 2. Today, remember that each situation and relationship you experience is part of a sacred and individualized workshop that you have co-designed with God. God, being perfect, only creates perfectly. Whenever you doubt yourself or your workshop, simply remind yourself that you have co-designed it with God. Everyone in your workshop heard your soul's call for help and healing and courageously answered your call. These are the people who are now in your life. Offer them your gratitude, not your judgment. In essence, they are a gift from God to you, and you are a gift from God to them. The sooner you realize this, the sooner you will have gratitude, peace of mind, joy, compassion, harmony, forgiveness, and understanding as your companions. All right. You create your own individualized workshop every day. Okay. First, let's remind ourselves we're here to be the light of the world. So we're here to be the light, or equally love, or equally the expressions of love, such as forgiveness, compassion, peace, joy. All those you are here to be. And so let's say you're having trouble forgiving people, or forgiving certain people, or certain kinds of people. What happens is that because that judgment is simply a veil in front of your light, you want that veil to be lifted. So what you do is, unconsciously as it may be, you make a call to the universe and saying, listen, Lord, I'm having issues in forgiving people. Can you please bring people into my life that I can judge so that I can practice forgiveness? And so people that come into your life and you're frustrated by, or you want to judge them, or you feel resentful about them, they come into your life. And guess why? Because you asked for them. Because you asked to practice forgiveness so that you can lift the veil of judgment, so that you can become the light of the world. And so those same people that the ego would have you judge and condemn are actually volunteers. They're here volunteering to help you grow, heal, awaken, and shine by their simple presence in your life. And so when you start to realize that, you start to see that everything and everyone is here to help me grow, heal, and awaken, to lift those veils that are blocking my light, my loving nature. And so where's the veil of judgment? Those people will come in. I will judge them and judge them over and over again until I get sick and tired and see how useless that judgment is. Then I choose another way. I choose, instead of forgiveness, I release the veil of judgment, and I have peace. And I feel at peace in a state And then I say, you know what? Maybe forgiveness is a much more useful tool than judgment. Maybe compassion is a much more useful tool than condemnation. And it's useful because it aligns me with my true nature, with my true loving nature, with the light that I came here to be. And so that helps me fulfill my function as the light of the world. And so thank you, individual A and B, for helping me in your own perfect, unique way, helping me see the bales that I was holding on to, but that I can, because I'm holding on to them, I can release them through my shift in decision making, through my shift from fear to love, from judgment to forgiveness, from condemnation to compassion. I can do that, and so thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for your presence in my life. And so when you start to see people through love's lens, you start to have more peace because you react to them knowing what they're really here for. They're really here for you, to help you become who you were created by God to be, and thus fulfilling your mission as the light of the world. And so today, let us remember, no matter how dark the journey seems to be, or how difficult it might seem, or complicated it might seem, each day you create the perfect day so that you can let go of those veils that are blocking your light, so that you can become the light of the world that you came here to be. So each day is a perfect workshop for you. Each day is individualized for you, for your healing, growth, and awakening. And so when you see that each experience, each interaction, each individual is here for you, volunteering for you, then you start to walk hand in hand with awe and gratitude and appreciation. Appreciation now becomes your response to any of the dark times the ego throws your way, any of the complicated or conflict-filled times. Yeah, you might buy into it for a little bit, but then you'll remind yourself, wait a second. Okay, I'm experiencing conflict right now. Okay, I'm not here to be conflict. I'm here to be peace. So let me go ahead and try to see this not through the ego's lens, but through God's lens. Seeing the divine design in everything and in everyone. And when you see they're simply helping you release those programs of conflict, so that you can be at peace, so that you can radiate this peace to your brothers and sisters who themselves seem to be lost in the darkness, then appreciation becomes your constant companion for your brother, because you know what your brother or sister is really here for. And so let us thank today our volunteers. Let us pat ourselves on the back for having the courage to bring them into our life so that we can heal, so that we can let go of our stories that are blocking, the veils that are blocking our light, and so that we can fulfill our function as the light of the world that God created us to be. And so each day is my workshop. Each interaction is part of my workshop. Each experience or situation is part of my workshop. Thank you, God. Thank you. Because I know there's something in here for me. There's something here that I can use to become who you created me to be. So thank you, and thank you, and thank you. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I love you very much. If you can be so kind as to like, comment, or share this video, it would help with the listening process, and it might help somebody see their day with more appreciation and understanding that the day is here for them, no matter what the ego says. Again, if you made it this far, thank you very much, and God willing, we'll see each other tomorrow. Peace.